This year we are ditching the canned cranberries. I'm here to teach you how to make cranberry sauce. This recipe is so delicious and you won't believe how easy it is to make. It's really nice and tart and it combines flavors of cinnamon and citrus. Let's get started. Start by washing one orange and then you're gonna zest the entire outside layer. Add this into a bowl and then cut the orange into 4/4 to make it easier to juice. You're gonna juice the entire orange into that bowl. Next, give the cranberries a good rinse and then add them into a Dutch oven. You're also gonna add in water, granulated sugar, the orange juice and zest, and 1 cinnamon stick. Turn the heat to medium and bring it to a boil, then drop the heat to medium-low and cook for another 10 minutes. Take out the cinnamon stick, and then it's optional, but I like to mash mine just a little bit. Then we're gonna allow this to cool completely. I always have to take a taste out of the pot right when I'm done. These are so good. A must make for Thanksgiving, you guys. These are so yummy. I'll just be here licking the bowl clean. Now refrigerate these for a few hours or overnight. It's a great time saver to make these a day ahead. So that's it. Now you know how to make cranberry sauce. I really hope you try this recipe. It's one that I've got a lot of compliments on and I hope you try it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and give this video a like. I love sharing new recipes with you every single week and I would love for you to be a part of my channel. Thanks so much and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hutch is growing!